In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix high ping in Roblox. Start by going to the top right corner and click the server icon button. Now, find a server that is close to you. You can use the search bar to look for the state or country you live in, or a state or country that is close to you. By joining a different server, you may lower your ping and get a better connection. If you still have high ping, then leave the game and close Roblox. Open the Start menu, then search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes if asked to allow changes to be made, then wait for Command Prompt to open. Now you will need to use each of the commands here in Command Prompt one at a time. I'll include a link to the commands in the description. Once you have entered one of the commands, press Enter, then wait for the process to finish. After it is finished, enter the second command and repeat until all the commands have been used. Again, make sure to wait for Command Prompt to finish before entering in a new command. Open the Start menu after using all of the commands, then click the power button and choose Restart. Test Roblox after restarting. If you still have high ping in Roblox, then restart your modem or router. You can do this by turning it off and leaving it off for at least 30 seconds. I usually wait a minute. Then turn it back on and wait for the connection to come back. Next, make sure you're not downloading or uploading anything and no one on your internet is either. If something is being downloaded or uploaded, then either cancel it or wait for it to finish and the ping issue should be fixed. If you still have high ping in Roblox, then you can try closing applications that may be using your internet. It's good to open the Hidden Icons menu on your taskbar to make sure the application you closed isn't still open in the background. If it is, then you can right-click on it and choose to quit or exit to close the application. Next, you should try using an Ethernet connection if possible. However, if you can't, then you may have two versions of your Wi-Fi. Open the Start menu and search for Wi-Fi. Then open the Wi-Fi settings. Expand the Show Available Networks option and you will see all the Wi-Fi networks that you can connect to. If you have two versions of your Wi-Fi, then they will typically have the same name with a different frequency at the end. The best option for you varies on your situation. Typically, using the 2.4G version of your Wi-Fi will be better if you're far away from your modem or router, as it provides a better connection at longer distances. Meanwhile, if you are close to your modem, then the 5G option will be better as it provides faster speeds. Another option to fix high ping is to ensure you aren't connected to a VPN. If you are, then close Roblox and disconnect from it. This will ensure you have the best connection to the server. You now know how to fix high ping in Roblox. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.